Next, make the motor harness connection between the motor and the control board. For our left-hand installation, we'll connect the wiring harness to the left 4-pin connector. Plug in the back check and latch wire lead to the 3-pin connector on top of the board. To attach the operator switch, feed the wire through the end plate and behind the control board. Then connect the bare ends of the 3 wires to the connection block, red in the slot marked on, black to off, and white to the hold open slot.